It is the B Town Breakfast on your favorite radio station, BCR FM. I am Tam Tam Tuli, and I'm here to sprinkle just a bit of wisdom as you start your day this Saturday. You better get used to this golden voice because Saturdays are now going to start with me giving you just that little bit of push to help you start your day. Of course, ngithi ngisaqala nje ngifuna ukukunyakadisa kancane nga leli liciniso kuthi be your own superhero. Nobody is coming to save you. I want to remind you today, Guti, the fact ukuthi uyakwati kutfola lusito outside of yourself is actually a favor, be it from your family, your friends, the government. Just the fact that you have been able to acquire something outside of your own efforts means that somebody else has put in the effort for you to achieve. So it is important to be grateful for people that come to your rescue, for people that are there for you, for your village, for people in your corner. Because ukhumbule ukuthi when we came into this world and you claimed this life by taking your first breath, as fragile as you may have been, you actually saved yourself. That is where you started saving yourself and being your own superhero, because you came into this life and you were able to fight for your life by taking that first breath. And ukhulisiwe la ukhule khona, it did not matter the kind of environment that you grew up in, because your soul was pure at that time. The struggles that may have been surrounding you did not define you, because your young self was innocent from the circumstances. And despite of those surroundings, you had that natural born instinct to fight for your life. And that's why you ukhulile. Ukhulile to a point where you started taking your first step. And when sicala kuma uyathi sisasebantwana mase ucala kuma baze bakuculele le ngoma yokuthi maye mayedvana. Maye mayedvana is a confirmation that although people may exist around you, there are other people that live around you, but wena you have to learn to stand tall on your own. Ufunze kuma wedva wena maye mayedvana. So namuhla ngiyasho nje ukuthi be your own superhero. Lenvo icedza imoshakale nje masikhula, because most of us, we grow up and start giving the responsibility of our wellness, our mental wellness, our emotional wellness to the world, and therefore we weaken our powers to thrive independently, and we contaminate our pure minds with entitlement. We feel that somebody owes us something. Somebody must come through for us. You know, that when people do not come through for us, we cannot come through for ourselves. Yay. You got your world in your fingertips. It is your responsibility of making things happen. Get up from that space of feeling sorry for yourself. You need to dust yourself. You need to find a way. You know why? Because nobody is coming to save you. So be your own superhero. I trust that you're going to have a fantastic Saturday. This is a little bit of wisdom from me to you this Saturday. Have a fantastic one.
Sihlale singabi ne-fantastic Saturday sekasho. So iPSR FM ku-104.1 the pumping beat of factors. I-present yami nengunika ngakucala i-golden voice loyivile empowering specialist. Ukhulumile ke ukuthi ube i-superhero yakho. Tam angikwamukele la msakadweni kunjani?
It is wonderful to be here on the B-Town Breakfast, Prince.
Yathi kunento lengijabulisako le-1 sikhule sibukela, okay mina ngidobala ngala kithi bobaba ngenteka nawo udobala kuwe, kuna Batman, kuna Superman, kuna Spider-Man. Onke lawa sithi ma superhero ethu, mara mawubuka Batman uyedwana, Spider-Man uyedwana. Thothi lokuthi nami ngiyedwana la ngaba i-superhero yami net ngoba kuhlupha ukuthi masikhula khona la bekusekhona ngama-title sihlale sinema role model, njengoba usho ukuthi wena nami ngingaba i-role model yami edwana net isho ukuthi bekufuna kube ne-self cover ngelwimi lanyalo ke, noma bekufuna ngikubuke mina bengingakase ngayibuka lokho. So kuphika ibrain yakho mhlambe yini lekwende ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi umuntu angaba i-superhero yakhe?
I think lendo yokuthi sibeka responsibility to other people to save us from situations that we are in empilweni is the one thing that sort of made me see this in a light ukuthi hey mami ngihluleka kutisita kule simo lesi, how do I expect somebody else to do that? Ukhulume ngama superhero lambala bo Spider-Man, Batman and the likes, and info lengiyibona ngabo ukuthi each time they were supposed to be superheroes, it's because there was something that, or a challenge that they had to overcome. So when we see a challenge, we sort of wait for somebody else to come and solve that for us instead of us standing up to the challenge and becoming our own savior.
Okay, sengiyayibona ngila ubekise khona ngefavor kahle kahle thina sithatha umsebenzi lokufuna endiwe ngithi kumbe ijoke lethu silinike labanye abantu sengilobekisa mhlambe ngento lebu nokubona ukuthi mhlambe la makhamba abatali sibe nezinkinga emhlabeni ukuthi asikakhoni kufunza asikakhoni kuba ngiboma emayedwana kahle kahle.
We have a lot of people outside of ourselves to blame. When days are dark, friends of you. Are they really supposed to be there, or is it just a favor when you have that one friend that is going to step up? Because Prince you have your own mission in this realm. I take it, or I want to believe, before you existed here, you were a spirit somewhere else that took up responsibility of this life that you are living now. And you said you could do it. And wafika la mhlabeni waphila walwa ukuthi ufike kulomnyaka lo kuwonyalo. Kude lo wasiphefumula. Wena watiphefumulela impilo yakho yaqala lapho. That's when you started to be your superhero, like I said. You fought for your life at the most crucial time when everybody was waiting for you to take that first breath. And then nyalo somzala, you forget you took that first breath because you were fighting for your life. What is stopping you from fighting now?
Ubekise nangendzaba ye-environment kuthi i-environment ayistop la so ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe le problem lesinayo iba ku-mentality yethu because siyaphila la langa lishisa after liyabanza siyaphila la ene njengoba bekisile ukuthi lama superhero lawa masekuvele emateam nakuvelile bo covid asikathi covid stop asifune kuphila ngayo yonke indlela sathola mihlonyana so yini mhlambe lena ukuthi maybe environment sibuke kuyo la ngoba kuba ama excuses njengoba kusho ukuthi mhlambe make wahamba so lo makwakho wahamba usele nyalo uyaphila wena la uyabona bangani bakho bakushiya tukwe ma grade so yini lento lena ukuthi mhlambe sibukela ama environment kusaba ukukhonkarisha o kusuke kwendekeni mangabe check.
I think i-awareness ngalesinye isikhathi phela ibuye ibe i-obstacle because uba aware ukuthi lo space lo kuso sinjani se wena mentally le space leso ufuna kwendani ngazo. Like I said ukuthi your spirit at that time usasemncane, you were so pure from every circumstance ukuthi ekhaya mhlambe ngikhule nhlupheka wena bangakunika kona lo bebakunika kona as a child you were fulfilled because you were not aware that innocence, the worldly things that would affect your mentality into conquering stuff was not magnified. Yeah. You still had that purity that you were born with. And then as we live, of course, sinabo lokho ukuthi sibukana netimo letitsite and the way of thinking it's more a mentality thing. And sibuka labanye, we start comparing ourselves and we start giving the responsibility of people helping us, and then siyahluleka ukuthi si overcome what is in front of us or in our environment.
Uvile umlaleli naye ufuna overcome abonela umuntu ngijabule ngalendo yema title ukuthi sinokuthi I title maybe man female but kusuke kunami basuke ba identify mina so without lama title lawo shothi akasingilutho lama title ngaphandle kwami kufuna ngibe I superhero so lofuna ukulandzela akhona nokubona because uyakuva yakhuluma la unenhlanhla ke nami ngusherile ngithe nje World Radio Day amafetha ukuthi sasutobula emsakatweni bakulandzela ku
uyangithola ke ku Facebook ngeThamtham Ntuli ThamThamNtuli.
No siyabonga la Stomba Manangana ukutaku enjoy isuku lakho la namuhla.
Happy Valentine's Day.